whenever the pledge is raised, I remember Lee Kuan Yew, what did he say? The pledge is simply aspirational, right? When it was raised in Parliament as something that we should take seriously, I think his response to that was, if you talk this way, it's very highfalutin. The pledge is meant to simply be aspirational and so on. So I'm not so sure what place the pledge actually has, what roots it has in the sort of popular imagination of Singaporeans. I mean, it's something that school children say every morning. Most of us hear once a year at National Day, together with the anthem and so on. And there's a ritual, symbolic value in the pledge. But I'm not so sure if people think very deeply about what the ideas expressed in that pledge really what they are in the first place, and what they refer to and what they imply if we were to take them seriously. Happiness, prosperity, progress, equality, democracy, these sorts of things. At one level, I suppose they are general enough and ambiguous enough for them to mean anything you like them to mean. At another level, they seem to be almost anachronistic, right? Like things that a more classical approach to political philosophy might have considered practical, but in the sort of pragmatic world that we live in today, seem to almost be pious language, right? That is nice to say, but very difficult and problematic, troublesome to effect or implement.